I'm back with another banger on today. And I thank everybody for tuning in with your boy. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, man. We're gonna make sure we get everything up. I think we should be at almost 2K soon. I think we at like 1.91, something like that. So man, I thank everybody who have subbed to me. I thank everybody who like videos. I thank everybody who have shared my videos. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you. I want to just say that why you should start a YouTube. This is what this video about. And I know starting a YouTube ain't easy. Like, be honest with you, starting YouTube ain't easy, and it's something that you don't know how it's gonna go. You don't know if it's gonna go left. You don't know if it's gonna go right. But I would definitely say that if it's something that you want to do it. You know, I look at people all the time. I look at people like Cash Nasty, Duke Dennis, Agent 00. Who else I look at? Tassino. Like, I see them people doing videos and stuff, and I be like, man, like, I want to be like them boys. Like, they really made me say I want to do a YouTube channel. Cause after seeing them, knowing that I used to play games and seeing their vlogs and everything, I just knew that I want to do it YouTube. And think about it though, like if you're a hustler or a grinder or something like that, and you doing something all the time, you might as well get paid for it. Or you always got your phone in your hand, record, get your money worth. You know what I'm saying? Get your money. And a lot of people don't think like that. A lot of people don't understand like your phone makes you money. You know, and you can do that, and you can get everything lined up, get everything set up. Rock that thing, man. Kill that thing. Go get the money, because the money is out there. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to be easy starting off, because when you see 0 views or, you know, only got 5 subscribers or something like that, that is very discouraging. I'm not going to lie to you. It's very, very discouraging. And you just up there like, man, I'm uploading all the videos, but I'm getting no love. I'm getting no love in my videos. I'm getting no. But what I would suggest is that just try it. That's all you can do. Sometimes, before I started my first video, I did research. I did a lot of research. And I used to say, man, I'm going to do it like this, I'm going to do it like that. But just seeing other people talk on other people doing YouTube channels and everything, it just made me want to be like, okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and start board driving and do it. Now, when I first got in the game, I ain't had none of this. All I had was my phone. I ain't had no desk, no monitor. I done had everything else you probably see over here. But it's just all about a starting process. Once you start it, you're going to enjoy it because you're going to see people interacting with you. You're going to see people coming. You know, you're going to have some people disliking. So it's just one of those things. It's going to be discouraging. It's going to be some be fun. But the thing is that it's all about starting. Once you start and you start liking what you're doing, just be consistent, you know. And once you be consistent on your page, I have a formula on what I do. And, you know, one day I'll give it to you all, how I do everything. But my main thing is just being consistent. As long as I be consistent, I have no problem. But if I don't be consistent, people start not seeing you no more. They start still not seeing you upload. Then people get bored. They get tired of you. They don't want to see you no more. So that's why I says that just start it. Just start a YouTube channel, man. Keep it going. You know, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, man. And you know, so just start it and like, just search. You know, Google topics, things that you could probably find or see things you can talk about. Like I say, this video is a why to start a YouTube channel. Like, I sit back here, man, rest in peace to Kobe Bryant, you know, and that's my guy back there. I just want to just throw that out there so we can stamp that thing. But just start the video, get it going, get it popping. Make sure you got 4K quality, at least 1080p. Make sure you got a good sound. Make sure you got, you know, quality is all I preach more and more and more. As long as you got quality, you good. You ain't got quality, you ain't got nothing. Because ain't nobody gonna watch no 360, 420, 540, whatever that is, resolution. Nobody gonna watch that no more. Your phone have better resolution than that. So just start it, get it popping, man, and you know, make sure you follow your boy. Make sure that if it's your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. Check out my other videos. I promise you, it's all kind of stuff on there. We got best of comedy skits. We got music. We do everything over here, man. We're gonna be streaming games soon. I'm just a person that's random. Like, if you follow me on Facebook, DJ Lawal, if you follow me on Instagram, _DJ Lawal, I just post random stuff. Whatever to make you laugh, have a good time, that's me. That's what I do. So, anyway, make sure you start your channel. And if you start your channel, make sure you put it in the comments, and I'll make sure I check you out. Make sure I come in there, hit the subscribe button for you. And another thing is that, what can I say? Hey, I really don't know, but get off your ass, man, and start the YouTube channel, man. You already know what it is. It's your boy, DJ Lil Wall. Turn up on me. And I'm out there, be